viewers, and welcome back to the Self-Made Auto channel. So we're back working on the Dodge Avenger. It's the one that needs the battery and the exhaust check valve. I'm going to start with the battery, and like most Chryslers, step one is remove the left front tire, because I like to hide them in the fender well for whatever reason. Either that or they put them in the trunk. Wrong size, fella. They've just got those two screws there. They need to come out. And then a whole bunch of clips. Using a pair of clip removers. These ones are made by Tiger Tool. I don't even think it says on it anymore. Yeah, it does right there, Tiger Tool. I think they were advertised as U-joint clip removers, but they work great on these. And these little clips that come out can be two-piece. Now they are keyed, so they only go in one way. So the idea is you pull up the center and then it releases it. In case you didn't know, let's see, how many do we got total here? Got two down there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There she is. So we'll give her a little blast of some coil up in here. Got a few bolts we need to take out. First that cross beam, bolt, bracket, whatever. One bolt and one nut. So that's just this little bracket here. So once that is out of the way, then we've got the hold down bolt that holds this little jabroni right there. Is that bolt there. Now that should allow the little hold down here to come off. I think it does. Look at that. So you got to kind of turn it a little bit and it comes out. So there's that. We're almost there. And look at these studs. That one there is the positive. One way in there is a negative. Give it a little squirt. That's where everybody's gonna flip out. Watch this. I'm going to remove the positive first. Super dangerous. If your wrench goes from the positive terminal, let's say, hits the body, there's going to be some sparks. So this is where I recommend not following my directions. However, I'm not going to take the chance of reaching in trying to unhook the negative first. I'm just going to use my noodle. Be careful. Unhook the positive. But like I say, do not do that. If you're following these instructions, don't do that. I'm going to set that to the side. We'll slide her back here a little bit. Now, I can reach my negative. We'll get that sucker loose. Hopefully. Set my wrench down before something bad happens. There we go. And a baby is born. Got our brand new battery from Napper. Not a sponsor. Hombre Fontanez, another YouTuber calling. when the answering machine clearly says, "Do not leave a message, I will not call you back." However, he's still leaving a message. I always leave a message. We're going to tighten down the negative. I always leave really long messages too. I can find them on Facebook. Alright, that one is tight. Let me turn off that damn answer machine. There. You go ahead and stop talking at this point. There's that. We do need to clean out this positive from the looks of it. She is a tad on the crusty side right there, in there. Let me get a little brush. Oh, shiny. She's shiny now. And now the most important part. Take that off the post. Otherwise you will have a no start condition. We'll stick that back on there. Now the other dangerous part. The tightening up of the bolt. I suppose you could probably wrap your wrench in electrical tape if you didn't think you could control yourself and might accidentally hit something. Might be advisable. Okay. Tiger tight. Tiger tight. Let me get some fluid film. I'm going to give her a little toot up on those battery terminals. Should help keep it from getting a case of the crusties again. Okay, that is in. Grab this little donger. Get the battery back here. Come on, little fella. You can do it. Or you can't. What the hell am I doing? Thunder.
Eric.
Yo.
Shots here.
It's gonna be about 15 minutes. Yep. Let's see here. There she goes. Got that back in. Alright, make sure everything's happy. It is in the tray all the way. Alright, we gotta get our bolt. We're gonna give that a little toot of fluid film too. She's a little crusty. Get that from getting all messed up. Feels like she started. Bing bong. Bing bong. And then what we'll do, being after that one is in, we'll give her a little toot on the bottom where it sticks through, and some up on top, and then over where it goes through the body. All right. Battery is secure. Not a big deal. Stick this one back in. There's that. We'll also give those some fluid films. Run her home. There's that. I don't know if it'll ever need another battery again. That sucker was 10 years old. I don't know, I think the car's probably got 10 years left in it. Everything looks hunky-dory. Put the fender liner back in. I don't know if Advance Auto does these for free out in the parking lot. I know they advertise free battery installation. Probably not on these little guys. I wouldn't think. probably should have started the vehicle. Come to think of it. I have a little faith in Napper. We probably should before we put the tire on. Oh, we got lights. That's a good thing. Where's my key go? Just feeling right. Oh, there she is. Oh, hooray. All right, well, it starts. That's good. There she is. Well, I gotta do my 11 o'clock. So there'll probably be a part 2 to this video where we do a little check valve on the exhaust. So stay tuned for that.